Salcha, Alaska, where the quiet lasts. Chad's pouring coffee, Kirk's tying a knot. 40 below, but we don't feel a lot.
Alright guys, it's Tyler with the Alaskan Dream YouTube channel. In this video, we're out here at Birch Lake near Salcha, Alaska. I ended up catching one rainbow trout and one dolly. So stay tuned. Hope you like the video. We're over here getting everything packed up. Starting to snow pretty good. Nice weather today. It warmed up. It's about 25 below. But hope you're all having a good day. Thanks for watching.
Sun barely up on the 10-and-a line. Breath hangs thick in the frozen time. All the bites down through the blue-white glass. Near Salcha, Alaska, where the quiet lasts. Chad's pouring coffee, Kirk's tying a knot. 40 below, but we don't feel a lot. Just the creak of the ice and the wide open sky. Waiting on rainbows to come drifting by. Out on the ice where the world slows down. Rainbow trout pulling hard men in line. Laughing with friends in a far north town. Making plans for the fall, one season at a time. From frozen halls to the island trees. Life feels right unreal.
I can run now. Oh, it must be decent. Oh, get in there. Let's see what it looks like.
Got another one. Alright, so since we're packing up, I figured I'd show you guys the bait that we're using. Get it over at Sportsman's in Fairbanks, or any Sportsman's really.
Just giving away
But
secrets.
pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Working out good.
Giving
Got a
away
rainbow
secrets.
and a dolly, so it was a pretty good day, but we're heading home. Alright guys, this is Kirk's first time on a snow machine. Trial by fire. Got the sled out here,
Oh yeah, you got
side by side, hanging out on the lake. Chad's gonna try out Kirk's new side by side he got this summer. But we're out here at Birch Lake near Salcha, Alaska. Pretty sweet little lake. Already caught one nice rainbow trout. And there he goes. Chad's out there doing donuts. There's Kurt on his way back with the snow machine. We'll have him when the fish ain't biting very good and you get bored, start riding around crazy. Oh, he's funny.
way too
Sun's
cold.
barely rising over white top. Breathe in the air like a cloud.
He goes right in a freaking hole.
I'll greet you and I see that steady scream.
There goes Chad, flying across the lake doing 100 mile an hour.
Chad and Kirk chasing something green.
And he is gone.
Thermos full of coffee, beard full of frost. Laughing at the cold like it's no real cost.
World feels small, but the moment's wide. Out on the lake where the big trout hide.
Son of a bitch.
skies and the dancing lights with my buddies by my side. Nowhere else I'd be. This frozen lake is the Alaskan dream. Chad tells stories about the one that got away.
Oh, less stuff to haul out this time.
What's that?
Kurt's got
Less
a
stuff to haul out this
Yeah.
time.
Oh, yeah.
Ice cracks low like a drum roll hum. Then the flag pops up and we're on the run.
Hands numb, cold, flag feels warm. That trout comes up like a silver storm.
20 pounds of pure wild grace. We yell so loud it shakes the place. Yeah, we're ice fishing in Alaska, living free. Lines in the water, hearts wild as can be. Big lake trout bending rods just right under northern skies and the dancing lights with my buddies by my side. Nowhere else I'd be. This frozen lake is the Alaskan dream. No cell bars, no deadlines calling, just the sound of the wind and the daylight falling.
That right there is a snow machine trailer, so it's got a drop hitch to where it drops down, you can ride on, and when you get on it falls back down. You just put a bolt into it, strap your snow machine down and go way faster. Now we just gotta put the sled up there.
Kirk strums a beat on an old beat up
As close as you can, actually. Over on this side.
star so bright you can see your
Go
place.
all the way over, yeah.
We talk about life.
Yeah, all the way over, and then
Just like that, loaded.